Welcome to Mountain Man Fungi. The genus Conocybe is comprised of around over 240 different species of mushrooms. The name comes from the Greek words kono, meaning cone, and cybe, meaning head, cone head. The type species is Conocybe tenera, and there is a very common, very poisonous mushroom called Conocybe rugosa, previously called Conocybe phalaris. Now here's where it gets really cool. There are 4 psychoactive species within the genus. Conocybe smithii, velutipis, cyanopus, and siligonioides. Siligonioides in particular is very cool because it was featured in the 1957 Lifetime magazine article, Seeking the Magic Mushroom, written by R. Gordon Watson. Thank you very much.